In the realm of home remedies and traditional medicine, simple kitchen staples like pepper, salt, and lemon hold more power than just seasoning our favorite dishes. These three ingredients, known for their distinctive tastes and culinary benefits, also possess therapeutic properties that can alleviate various ailments and promote overall health. This video explores the multifaceted uses of lemon, pepper, and salt, not just in cooking, but as effective remedies for health issues ranging from sore throats to weight loss. The healing trio: lemon, pepper, and salt. Lemon, a citrus powerhouse. Lemon is celebrated not only for its vibrant flavor, but also for its extensive use in traditional medicine. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon juice acts as a diuretic and diaphoretic, helping the body detoxify and rejuvenate. Whether used as a gargle, a tonic, or applied topically as a lotion, lemon offers benefits that are both preventative and curative. Salt, essential yet balanced. Salt, particularly Himalayan pink salt, is crucial for body function, aiding in fluid balance and nerve transmission. While it's indispensable like water and oxygen, moderation is key, as excessive salt intake can strain the heart. Opting for Himalayan salt over regular table salt offers additional minerals and less processed options. Black pepper, more than just spice. Known for its pungent flavor, black pepper has been a staple in traditional healing practices for centuries. It contains piperine, which enhances nutrient absorption and improves digestion. Black pepper's antibacterial properties make it an excellent remedy for respiratory conditions and gastrointestinal issues. Combating common ailments with pepper, salt, and lemon. Number 1. Soothing a sore throat. A sore throat can be effectively treated with a simple gargle solution consisting of 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt in warm water. This mixture helps reduce swelling and pain, offering a natural alternative to over-the-counter remedies. Number 2. Managing gallstones. Gallstones, which are hardened deposits of digestive fluids in the gallbladder, can cause significant discomfort. A traditional remedy involves mixing 3 parts olive oil with 1 part lemon juice and black pepper. This concoction is believed to facilitate the movement of gallstones, although medical consultation is recommended for severe cases. Number 3. Healing canker sores. Canker sores, or mouth ulcers, can be painful and irritating. Rinsing the mouth with a solution of a tablespoon of Himalayan salt in warm water 3 times a day can accelerate the healing process by reducing inflammation and eliminating bacteria. Number 4. Aiding weight loss. For those looking to shed extra pounds, especially around the holiday season, a morning tonic might be the answer. Combining 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of honey in a glass of water, and consuming it on an empty stomach can boost metabolism and promote weight loss. Number 5. Alleviating nausea. To combat nausea and upset stomach, a mixture of a tablespoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of black pepper in warm water can be effective. The lemon juice helps quell nausea while black pepper soothes the stomach. Number 6. Treating colds and flu. Lemon can also be a potent remedy for colds and the flu. Adding the juice and zest of half a lemon to a large mug of boiled water, letting it steep for 10 minutes, and then consuming this infusion daily can help boost the immune system and alleviate symptoms. While pepper, salt, and lemon are staples in the culinary world, their health benefits extend far beyond just flavoring food. These ingredients have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat a variety of ailments effectively. Whether it's soothing a sore throat, promoting weight loss, or easing a cold, the therapeutic properties of these simple ingredients can be harnessed to improve health and well-being. As with any home remedy, it's important to use these treatments judiciously and consult healthcare professionals when dealing with serious health issues. Through the thoughtful integration of these natural remedies, individuals can take an active role in managing their health using the gifts of nature found right in their kitchen.